Hello guys and welcome back to this amazing channel Geeks for Geeks Practice. This is Abhinav and in this particular video we are going to solve the problem of the day for 29th of January, which was minimum operations. The problem was quite easy. The problem was that you were given with two numbers A and B and you have to do some operations on it. You can pick a number X and then you can either replace A with A and X or B with B and X. You can perform this operation any number of times, but you have to return minimum number of operations such that A and B becomes equal. Okay, so basically you are having two numbers A and B. Okay, and you have to XOR that number with another number X. Sorry, not XOR. I think you have to add. Okay, yeah, you have to add. Sorry, that was my point. You have to add that number. Okay, with another number X. X can be any number of your choice. First of all, what is AND? AND means that if both are 0, then AND is 0. If any one of that are 0, then also AND is 0. AND is 1 when both the bits are 1. This is the first point about AND. This is the first point about AND. Okay. Now, the second thing that you have to make sure here is it is saying that you have to make A and B equal by taking the AND of A and B with another number. The first point will be that what if A and B are already equal? If A and B are already equal, then obviously we can simply return 0. Like no operations are required. Simply we can return 0. If A and B are already equal, then there is no need to return anything. Now let's take the other case. The other case is a very important case. It is that how many maximum operations one can have. Thing is guys that for this problem there will be only three possible solutions, which is 0, 1 and 2. 0 we know that if number A and B are already equal, then we will have 0. If A and B are already equal, then we will have 0. And what about 1 and 2? When the output will be 1 and when the output will be 2? That is the main case. Let's see when the output will be 1 and when the output will be 2. Let's see this thing. Okay. So see here what it is given. It's given that when A and B are equal, the answer is 0. That I hope that everyone knows. Okay. Now let's say that A and B are not equal. Then the worst case what I can do, I can AND both A and B with 0. दोनों को हम लोग 0 से AND कर देंगे and simply I can get 0 and 0 जो इक्वल हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो हम लोग x को किसी भी नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर से, नेगेटिव ना 0 हो सकता है. What I can do is कि I can just simply AND both A and B with 0 and output will be 0. Both will be 0. This is a possible solution कि मैं दोनों को 0 से AND कर दूं. This is a possible solution. मतलब हमारा जो वर्स्ट केस में सॉल्यूशन है वो 2 हो जाएगा. 2 से बड़ा सॉल्यूशन नहीं हो सकता. देयर कैन नॉट बी मोर देन 2 ऑपरेशंस. इन 2 ऑपरेशंस वी कैन गेट बोथ एज 0, बोथ इक्वल. बट सो देखो हमें दो चीजें पता चल गई कि 2 तो होगा ही होगा और 0 कब होगा? व्हेन ए एंड बी आर इक्वल. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट 1 कि व्हेन 1 ऑपरेशन विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. तो कुछ ऐसा हो कि एदर इन 0 हमें x करना पड़े या फिर हमें b में x करना पड़े and they both will become equal. Either we have to take a number x that is and with a or make b and x और equal हो जाए. ये कब होगा? When this will happen. So this will only happen when we talk about bits. So because we are talking about bitwise operator and we will talk about bits. So let's say कि a है हमारा 1 0 0 1 1 0 and b is 1 1 0 0 1. So देखो इसमें क्या है कि अगर आप देखोगे ना जो बिट्स इसमें ऑन है ए में वो सेम बिट्स इसमें ऑन नहीं है विच इज बी में. तो हम लोग देखो दो केसेस होंगे. एक केस तो हम लोग इसको थोड़ा इरेज करते हैं. एक केस ये होगा, द फर्स्ट केस विल बी कि लेट्स से दीज आर द ए एंड दिस इज बी. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज ये जो ए है all the bits which are set in A are also set in B. You can see this thing कि all the bits that are set in A, जितने भी bits A में set हैं वो सारी B में भी set है, वो सारी B में भी set है. If this is the case कि all the sets of a number is set in second number also, so we can easily convert the second number into the first number. How? अगर मुझे बी को ए में कन्वर्ट करना हो, आई कैन सिंपली एंड इट विद दिस वैल्यू एंड विद दैट ए ओनली, मैं उसको ए के साथ ही एंड कर दूंगा एंड द आंसर विल बी ए, बिकॉज ऑल द बिट्स विच वर सेट इन ए वर ऑल्सो सेट इन बी। तो ये है। तो बेसिकली हमें करना है कि अगर हम लोग ए एंड बी करते हैं और फिर जो आंसर आता है, इफ दैट आंसर इज एदर इक्वल टू ए और इक्वल टू बी, if we are doing A and B and the answer is either equal to A or B, or basically minimum of A and B, so we will got the answer. If that bits which are set in A are also set in B, or we can say that those bits which are set in B are also set in A, if this type of combination is done, so we can have that number, that key number. Let's take example. Let's say कि A जो है, A is like this and B is like this. So I can simply make B to B and A and it will become equal to A. You can see they both are equal. Let's say कि A was like this and B was like this. Again you can see that all the bits which are set in B are set in A. So what I can do, I can make A to A XOR A and B and it will become again equal to B only. वो A और B के इक्वल हो जाएगा. But in case कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, like you can see कि A is like this and B is like this, they are different, like both the cases are not clear. I can not say like here, देखो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ क्या हो रहा है कि all bits which are set in A are set in B. A में जो भी bits set हैं that are also set in B. That is why we are doing this. Here क्या हो रहा है कि all the bits that are set in B are also set in A. बट हेयर नो सच रूल इज ऑब्टेन। अगर हम लोग बी की बात करें तो देखो यहाँ पे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो रहा है, अगर ए की बात करें तो यहाँ पे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो रहा है। इट्स नॉट राइट। इस केस में हमारे पास टू ऑपरेशन होंगे। तो आई कैन राइट कि इफ आई कैन राइट हियर थर्ड केस, इफ ए इज इक्वल टू बी, आउटपुट विल बी 0। सेकेंड, एल्स इफ ए एंड बी विल बी इक्वल टू मिनिमम ऑफ ए एंड बी, आउटपुट विल बी 1। एल्स आउटपुट विल बी 2, बिकॉज 2 तो होगा ही, 2 से कम तो हो नहीं सकता। 2 कैसे होगा? अगर ए एंड बी दोनों को हम एंड 0 से कर दें तो 2 ऑपरेशन लगेंगे, बट आंसर विल बी 0 ओनली, दे विल बी इक्वल। सो इन द वर्स्ट केस 2 विल बी द आंसर एंड यू कैन सी दैट इज द सॉल्यूशन। इफ ए इज इक्वल टू बी, रिटर्न 0, else check the second case, and else return 2. Okay, if we talk about a time and space complexity, it is also order of 1, because all these operations is taking order of 1 only. Time complex and space complex, you can see both are expected also, and in our program they both are order of 1. Okay, thank you for today's video. I hope you have liked it and keep solving this problem of the day. Thank you. GFG कर लो, हो जाएगा।